Okay, I'm going to walk you through creating mailing labels from Eagle Tax Administration software. Okay, so first thing you will do is click on Mail and then come down to Labels and then choose which type of label you want to print. You can do a label for all your active businesses, those who are set to receive an occupational tax bill, a net profit tax bill, or those who are delinquent on their occupational tax or net profit tax payments. For this example, we're going to use the occupational tax bill. So you would click on that, and then you select the financial term that you want to send out the labels for. And this will only get the businesses that are active and have been assigned a bill in this financial term. So you click on OK, and then it's going to ask you for a save location. So we're going to click on Browse, and we're going to use the My Documents folder. Just as an example, you can save anywhere you want to, just be sure to keep track of where you place it. And so we're going to just call this OCC Bills. Click on the Save button, and then click on Export. And then it'll tell you when it's finished. Okay, now that that is finished, you can switch to Microsoft Word and do the mail merge to produce your labels. Okay, now we're in Microsoft Word and we're going to create the mail merge for the labels. Okay, this is Word 2013. Word 2010 and 2007 should work pretty much the same way. The screen might look just a little bit different. Okay, so what you would do first is click on Mailings and then Start Mail Merge. Hit the drop down and select Labels. And it's going to open this up where you can pick the type of label that you're going to print. So this is where you look on your label package and it will tell you which template to use here. For this example, we're going to use the Avery 18663 Easy Peel shipping labels. So once you select your label, just say OK. And then select Recipients, click that, select Use an Existing List, and this is where we go to the export file that we saved out of ETAS. In our case, we saved it to the My Documents folder and we called it occbills.csv. Say Open. Okay, now we need to put in the pieces of the address. So we're going to do Insert Merge Field and do Display Name, and then Mail Address 1, Mail Address 2, Mail City, comma, Mail State, couple spaces, Mail Zip, and that has our address block. And then we're going to click this button that says Update Labels, and what that's going to do is that's going to copy that layout to the rest of the labels on that page. And you see what that's done. Okay, you notice that other than the first one, everyone else has this next record. Don't bother that. That is part of how Word controls the record selections, so just leave that the same. And then you can click on Preview Results if you want to see what it's going to look like. You can see that we have our data here ready to print on the labels. So when you're finished, you click on this Finish and Merge button, and you can either open it up. That will cause it to open up in another Word document so that you can edit the individual labels if you need to, or you can click on Print Documents and it'll go through printing it to your printer. So once you do that, it's going to ask you what record you want to print, tell it you want to print all of them, say OK, and then go through, pick out your printer settings, click on OK, and it will print the labels out. And that is how you go about printing labels from ETAS.